If you bought something in Maine for $89, you would be charged $6.23 in state sales tax. What is the state sales tax rate in Maine? Round to the nearest hundredth of a percent. Now, remember that state sales tax is talked about in terms of a percent, right? You have a 7% sales tax or a 6.5% sales tax or whatever. So we are really being asked what percent. So when you're solving a what percent problem, you can either write a proportion or an equation. And for my purposes, I always write proportions. Because when I see what percent, I can automatically think x over 100 because the total percent is out of 100%. So now in our right ratio, I always think part to whole. So when I look at these two values, $89 and $6.23, like which one of those is part, which one of those is whole? Well, I bought something for $89, that was the whole price, and the part that was tax, right, $6.23 would be the part of that. So this ends up being my proportion that I can solve, knowing that x is going to be the percent, the sales tax. So x over 100 equals $6.23 over $89. So when I do this and I cross multiply, I get 89x equals 623. Right, cross multiply. Recall that the equation splits the equal sign splits the equation into two equal parts. And I am now going to divide both sides by the number in front of x, because a number touching the variable means multiplication. So 89 divided by 89 is 1. I'm left with 1x. And 623 divided by 89 is 7. So because the value of x is 7, remember, we're talking about percent. 7 over 100 is the same as 7%. So Maine has a 7% sales tax.